Are you ready to explore stories where love blossoms from the most unexpected circumstances? Today, we are diving into the top 9 Turkish dramas that start with hate and evolve into love, often through the compelling trope of forced marriages. And the best part, you can watch all these dramas with English subtitles. So, let's get started. At number 9, we have Fatmagıl'ın Sukune. Its English name is What is Fatmagıl's Fault? This drama follows Fatmagıl, a young woman whose life is shattered by a traumatic event. To cover up the crime, she is forced to marry Kerim, one of the accused. At first, their relationship is filled with anger and distrust. But as time passes, Kerim seeks redemption and Fatmagıl finds her inner strength. Will they find solace in each other despite the pain of their past? Witness their path to healing in Fatmagıl'ın Sukune. At number 8, we have Kara Sevda. Its English name is Endless Love. This is a tale of star-crossed lovers, Kemal and Nihan. Despite their deep love, societal differences and conspiracies force Nihan into a marriage with another man. Years later, fate brings them back together, reigniting unresolved emotions. But can their love withstand the trials of destiny? Experience the intensity of their bond in Kara Sevda. At number 7, we have Zemheri. This drama tells the story of Firuj and Ayaz, whose love is torn apart by betrayal and family obligations. Years later, fate brings them back together, this time under difficult circumstances, forcing them to work together despite their past. As old emotions resurface, will they find a way to overcome their painful history? Explore their poignant journey in Zemheri. At number 6, we have Yal Cap. Its English name is Kingfisher. This series follows the tumultuous relationship between Ferit and Seyran. Ferit, a notorious playboy, is forced into marriage with Seyran, a modest young woman, in an attempt to change his reckless ways. At first, their relationship is filled with clashes and misunderstandings, but over time, genuine affection develops. Can Seyran tame the wild heart of the Kingfisher? Find out in Yal Cap. At number 5, we have Kin Saiskleri. Its English name is Vendetta. This drama tells the story of Dil and Baran, whose families are trapped in a bitter blood feud. To bring peace, they enter a forced marriage, but their relationship begins with deep mistrust and resentment. As they face challenges together, will their union bring lasting peace, or will old grudges tear them apart? Witness their transformative journey in Ken Saiskleri. At number 4, we have Sia Insi. Its English name is Black Pearl. Hajal and Kenan are deeply in love, but society and betrayal push them apart. Forced to marry Veril, a wealthy businessman, Hajal finds herself trapped in a loveless marriage, while her heart still longs for Kenan. Can true love survive in a world full of lies and sacrifice? Uncover the depths of their passion in Sia Insi. At number 3, we have Yemin. Its English name is The Promise. This series revolves around Rehan, a humble village girl, and Emir, a spoiled playboy. Bound by a promise to his dying uncle, Emir marries Rehan against his will. At first, he resents her, but as he witnesses her strength and kindness, his heart begins to change. Will Emir let go of his arrogance and embrace true love? Experience their journey from animosity to affection in Yemin. At number 2, we have Harkai. Its English name is Innocent Love. This drama follows Rayyan and Miran, whose families are trapped in a web of vengeance. Miran marries Rayyan as part of a revenge plot, but soon, he starts to fall for her pure heart. As dark secrets are revealed, their relationship faces countless obstacles. Can love truly conquer all? Or will their family's past destroy their future? Dive into this emotional roller coaster in Harkai. At number 1, we have Sia Beyaz Ask. Its English name is Price of Passion. This is a gripping tale of opposites attracting under extreme circumstances. Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman, crosses paths with Asl, a compassionate doctor. Their worlds collide when Asl is forced to marry Farhat to save her life. At first, they are like fire and ice, but as they spend more time together, they begin to see each other's true selves. Will Asl's kindness melt Farhat's icy heart? To find out, Immerse yourself in Sia Bea's Ask. These dramas show us that love can emerge even from the most difficult beginnings. Each series tells a unique and powerful story of relationships that evolve from hatred to profound affection. Which of these dramas did you love the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Dramas Notion for more amazing drama recommendations. Until next time, happy watching.